Call to the 53rd annual day celebration of our school. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Kiran Bedi ji, President of the Managing Committee, Mrs. Kalyani Ghosh, Revered Secretary Mataji and Principal Mataji to come on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Arogyam dhana sampada shubham kurutvam kalyanam.
Now I request our Secretary Mataji, Kalyani Didi and Principal Mataji to felicitate the Chief Guest, Dr. Kiran Bedi ji. Sacred Vedic chanting before any auspicious event. So students of Nivedita Vidya Mandir will chant the Shanti Mantra. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Now, it is time to propitiate the goddess of knowledge, Mother Saraswati. May she remove the darkness of ignorance and spread the light of knowledge in our lives. Now come and perform dance as a tribute to Goddess Saraswati. Let's welcome her.
शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, इन चरणों का प्यार दे। तेरा पानी तार दे, तार दे, तार
dance performance was simply mesmerizing. Principal Pravrajika Gyan Prana Mataji for the welcome address.
Namaskar. Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Kiran Bedi ji and other dignitaries, revered Secretary Mataji and other monastic sisters, President of the Managing Committee, Mrs. Kalyani Ghosh, friends and well-wishers of the mission, teachers and non-teaching staff, parents and my dear children. Good evening and a very warm welcome to you all. This evening is one of the most special evenings for us. It's our 53rd annual day. After a challenging period of COVID, we are all here once again. So it's a very special evening for us. I, on behalf of everyone present here, heartily welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Kiran Bedi ji. We are extremely grateful to you for gracing today's function with your presence. Dr. Kiran Bedi is a well-known name and needs no introduction. She is a globally recognized, multifaceted personality. She was the first woman to have joined the officer ranks of Indian Police Service in 1972. And she was the 24th Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry and also served the United Nations as Civilian Police Advisor in peacekeeping operations. A PhD from IIT Delhi with a postdoctoral Nehru Fellowship. She has authored several books. Her latest book, Fearless Governance, is considered to be a blueprint for good and effective governance. She was the recipient of the Gallantry Award and the Magsaysay Award, which is also known as Asia's Nobel Peace Award. Her biopic, Yes, Madam Sir, directed by Megan Donman, documents beautifully her incredible journey over a span of 6 years. She has founded 2 NGOs, Navajyoti and Indian Vision Foundation, which continue to serve thousands of underprivileged people in rural urban areas and in prisons for the last 30 years. She has been repeatedly voted the most admired woman in India and also the most trusted by the Reader's Digest. Former tennis champion, a dynamic leader, a dedicated social worker, and an ethical politician. Above all, a great human being. As a person of high principles, deep integrity, honesty, and courage, she has inspired countless people over the past so many decades. She is truly the pride of our nation. We wish her a very long life and good health so that she may continue to do the exemplary work and inspire many more future generations. Let us all welcome Kiran Bedi ji with a huge round of applause. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. Now, I request our Secretary Mataji to come and present the annual report of the institution. Let us welcome her with a huge round of applause, audience.
Respected Dr. Kiran Bedi ji, other dignitaries, President and members of the Managing Committee, devotees, teachers and parents. Namaskar. I am here to present a short report of the mission activities. As you may be aware, the Ramakrishna Sharada Mission is a registered society founded by the Sannyasinis who are the trustees of Sri Sharada Math, Kolkata, Dakshineshwar. Its twin organization, Ramakrishna Sharada Mission, is a non-profit, non-political, non-sectarian organization which has been engaged in various forms of humanitarian and social service activities for more than 60 years. The New Delhi Center of the mission was inaugurated 52 years back in April 1970. It is dedicated to the service of people in the field of education and culture, health, nutrition and women empowerment. Ramakrishna Sharada Mission Nivedita Vidya Mandir, the very first project of the Delhi Center, is a non-profit educational institution. This pre-primary and primary school was inaugurated in 1970 as a centenary memorial to Swami Vivekananda's Irish disciple Sister Nivedita, who came to India at the call of Swami Vivekananda and dedicated her life to the cause of Indian people till her last breath. She made pioneering effort in every field of life, especially in educating Indian women by opening a school in Kolkata on the lines of Indian culture, values and ethics. In order to honor her contribution in the field of education, our school has been named after her. The main objective of this school is to impart values-based education centered on Sister Nivedita's idea of patriotism, self-reliance and character building. Keeping in line with the objective of the school, we ensure that the students nurtured here excel in everything and that there is all-round development of their personalities. Considering the fact that Nivedita Vidya Mandir is not government fund aided, the fee structures of the school is quite reasonable as compared to the other private schools in Delhi. The second project of the school is Vivekananda Bal Mandir for children in the age group of 8 to 14. It was started in 1970 with the purpose of imparting children the elementary knowledge of history, culture, ethical values of our country. This is done through interesting stories, dramatics, music, and recitations. Classes are held on Sunday afternoon by our monastic sisters. The third project is Sharada Mandir. It was started in 1977 for the financially weak girls studying in grade 5 to 12. Special free coaching is given to these girls in English, science, maths by competent teachers. The coaching classes are held from Monday to Friday in the afternoon. The girls attending these coaching classes are also given nutritive food supplements daily. Besides these items like school bags, study materials, footwear, woolens are given to these girls once a year. In January 1989, the fourth project, the Chandramani Balwadi, was started for the underprivileged children in the age group of 5 to 12 years. They are also given nutritive food supplements daily. Besides the items like school bags, study materials, footwear, new cotton clothes and woolens are given to these children also once a year. Balwadi classes are held 5 days a week in the afternoon. Financial report. As per last year's audit report, details of the amount spent on various educational, cultural, welfare and relief activities as follows. An amount of rupees 73,470 was spent towards educational and cultural activities. An amount of rupees 5,63,021 rupees was given to economically weak and meritorious students. An amount of rupees 70,875 was given towards the welfare activities and pecuniary help. An amount of rupees 15,09,744 was spent towards the winter relief work. Ramakrishna Sharda Mission manages all these activities with the help of donations received from the well-wishers of the mission, as we do not get any government grant for any of our welfare projects. Running all these activities free of charge for all these decades have been possible only due to many generous friends and well-wishers who offer regular financial support for our welfare activities. Our heartfelt gratitude to each one of them. I would like to make a special mention of a few good souls whose generosity and support has kept the noble work of our organization going. These names are Mrs. Anita Manchanda, Mrs. Indu Ramchandani, Dr. Sharmila Lal, Mr. Pratik Bose, Mrs. Prabhati Mukherjee, Mr. Arijit Chanda, Mr. Sanjay Ambani, Dr. Savita Gopal, Mrs. Ritusri Datta, Mrs. Shomita Mukherjee, Mrs. Gauri Mitra. I would like to mention the details of the financial contribution made by various donors for giving prizes to the deserving students. Late Ananta Kumar Sen, Memorial Prizes for Proficiency in Maths. Late Rama and Kuldeep Narayan Jutsin, Memorial Prize for Academic Excellence. Kamala Joshi, Memorial Prize for Hindi Elocution. Sushma Gupta, Memorial Prize for All-Round Progress. Radhika Uppal, Memorial Prize for Drawing. Poonam Jaiswal, Prize for Drawing. Manmatha Rai, Memorial Prize. Shashwati Banerjee, Academic Prize. K.N. Bhutani, Academic Prize. Dr. Narendranath Khatak, Memorial Prize. R.P. Manchanda, Memorial Prize for Proficiency in Maths in Class 3, 4 and 5. Admiral Adhar Kumar Chatterjee, Memorial Prize. Prannath Pal, Memorial Prize. Geetika Chopra, Prize for Music by K.G. Uppal. Aparna Paul, Endowment Fund. Pratima Ojha, Endowment Fund. Amitabha Sengupta, Endowment Fund. Mrs. Nandita Mukherjee, Memorial Prize for the Best Student of Class 5. Yuga Bank Cultural Values Fund. Kavita Bharadwaj for Excellence in Maths. Asha Ghotak, Memorial for Excellence in Music. Sri Vireshwar Sen, Memorial Prize for Excellence in Drawing. Vishnu Dayal, Memorial Prize, Academic Excellence in Grade 5. Panna Bakhi, Memorial Prize. K.C. Mukherjee, Memorial Prize for Best Athletes. I once again thank our chief guest, Dr. Kiran Bedi, for agreeing to grace the occasion. Thank you.
Each of our projects will come and recite Swami Vivekananda's quotation. First of all, Samreen Gujral of Nivedita Vidya Mandir will come and speak. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Samreen Gujral, I study in grade 3rd. Thus speaks Swami Vivekananda. Teach yourself, teach everyone his real nature. Call upon the sleeping soul and see how it awakes. Power will come, glory will come, purity will come, goodness will come, and everything that is excellent will come when the sleeping soul is roused to self-conscious activity. Thank you.
Thank you, Samreen. Now, Shivani of Chandramani Balwadi will speak. Let's welcome her.
Namaste. My name is Shivani Kumari. I study in 4th class. स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा है, हमारा पवित्र भारतवर्ष धर्म एवं दर्शन की पुण्य भूमि है। यहीं बड़े बड़े महात्माओं तथा ऋषियों का जन्म हुआ है। यही संन्यास एवं त्याग की भूमि है तथा यही आदिकाल से लेकर आज तक मनुष्य के लिए जीवन के सर्वोच्च आदर्श एवं मुक्ति का द्वार खुला हुआ है। भारतवर्ष का पुनरुत्थान होगा, पर वह शारीरिक शक्ति से नहीं वरन आत्मा की शक्ति द्वारा। वह उत्थान विनाश की ध्वजा लेकर नहीं वरन शांति और प्रेम की ध्वजा से होगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Shivani. Now, Sia of Sharada Mandir will speak. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Namaste. My name is Sia. I study in class 6A. स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा था, एक विचार लो, उस विचार को अपना जीवन बना लो, उस विचार के बारे में सोचो, उसके सपने देखो। दिमाग, मांसपेशियों, नसों, शरीर के हर एक हिस्से को उस विचार में डूब जाने दो और बाकी सभी विचारों को किनारे रख दो। यही सफल होने का तरीका है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sia. We are very fortunate to have Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Kiran Bedi ji with us. I request her to say a few words of motivation for all of us.
आप सबका बहुत धन्यवाद। मन कर रहा है स्कूल में दाखिला लेने का, लेकिन ओवर एज हो गया और डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गए। लेकिन जो शिक्षा आप दे रहे हो, यही तो शिक्षा चाहिए हर व्यक्ति को, और यही हमारी भारतवर्ष की ताकत है। जितना हम लोगों को मौका मिलता है बाहर देखने का, उतना मन समझता है कितनी हमारा भारतवर्ष ताकतवर है। 1 महीना पहले ही मैं अभी शिकागो होके आई हूँ, और शिकागो में जाने का मकसद ये था कि वहाँ जाके वहाँ पर जगह देखें जिस स्टेज से स्वामी जी ने सारे दुनिया को दिखा दिया भारतवर्ष क्या है। तो इसलिए मैं यही कहूँगी कि आप बहुत पुण्य का काम कर रहे हो। आप स्वामी जी ने जो सपना लिया, जो आदेश दिया, जो शब्द बोले, जो विचारधारा रखी, आप उसको चालू रख रहे हो। मैं तो आपके इंस्टीट्यूशन के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ। आपने मुझे बहुत प्रेम दिया है जब भी मैं यहाँ आई हूँ, और मुझे बड़ी खुशी मिलती है अपनी माताओं को मिलने का। इतनी यंग है लेकिन आपको माता ही कहना है, क्योंकि आप माताएं ही हैं। पिताएं रामकृष्ण मिशन में हैं, brothers are there and you are sisters here, but the way you sacrificed educated women who sacrificed, who not sacrificed, I think they made their own life. काश मुझे जब जन्म में दोबारा मौका मिलेगा तो शायद मुझे यही करना है। यही आत्मा इस ओर ही जा रही है। सिर्फ यह है कि इस उम्र में मैंने खाकी वर्दी पहन के करा, अगली बारी में हो सकता है ये भी हो जाए, तो लेकिन दोनों में फर्क नहीं है ज़्यादा। जब आपने, लेकिन आपने मेरी बायोडेटा में एक गलती की। बायोडेटा में आपने सारा कुछ ठीक बोला, लेकिन आपने एक शब्द बोला पॉलिटिशियन। मैं वो नहीं हूँ। तो वो पता नहीं कहाँ से आपने पढ़ लिया, जिसने भी बोला, क्योंकि वही तो नहीं है। वो गलती से इलेक्शन लड़ लिया। उसका कारण ये है कि वो कहा गया कि दिल्ली ने तुम्हारे लिए इतना कुछ किया, तुम भी दिल्ली के लिए कुर्बान करो। तो मैं अपने आप को कुर्बान करने के लिए खड़ी हो गई, लेकिन उसके जाने के बाद वो कुर्बानी मैंने बंद कर दी, क्योंकि मुझे वो आती नहीं थी। इसलिए सारा बायोडेटा तो सारा पूरा था, इसलिए मैं आपको 100 मार्क्स से सिर्फ 99 दूंगी। मैं आपके स्कूल को बड़ी खुशी की, क्योंकि कोविड के टाइम पे मैं यहाँ आई थी और ये स्टेज को भी देखा था। होली के टाइम पर हम आए थे और हमने फोटोग्राफ भी खींची थी। हमारे बच्चे बहुत सौभाग्य हैं, उनका बहुत खुशकिस्मत है। दे आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि उनको ऐसा स्कूल मिला, ऐसे टीचर्स मिले। किस तरीके से आप अपना अनाउंसमेंट करते हो। हमने 7,847 रुपीज़ खर्चे। कौन सा प्राइवेट स्कूल ऐसा स्टेटमेंट देता है? आपने यहाँ तक कि 47 तक भी बता दिया। ये नहीं कि इतने लाख खर्चा, इतने करोड़ खर्चा, यहाँ तक कि लास्ट पैसा तक आपने सुना दिया कि हमने खर्चा किया। दिस इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ योर मिशन। और ये आपको बता दूं, आपके बच्चों की आप बुनियाद बना रहे हो, सारी उम्र वो बुनियाद, उसी बुनियाद पर तो ये भारत खड़ा है आज। मैं तो रोज जब तक ये खुराक नहीं मिलती, मुझे YouTube से रामकृष्ण मिशन के और आपकी माता जी के प्रवचन सुने। मैं अभी भी सुनती आ रही थी दिव्या के की डिस्कोर्सेस। मेरी रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि YouTube ने हर प्रवचन को हमारे हाथ में दे दिया है। ये तो हमारी खुराक है, भूख है, प्यास है, हम कितनी बार इसको स्विच ऑन करके सुने। हमारी यहाँ की माता जी, जिनको मैं दिव्या बोलती हूँ, उसके प्रवचन सुनो, क्या कमाल के बोलती है, क्या कमाल की दुनिया को आज भी बाहर है, विदेश है, शिक्षित कर रही दुनिया को। और जब वो बाहर जाती हैं, और हमारा रामकृष्ण मिशन जहाँ पर भी है, कमाल की रिफॉर्मेशन ला रहा है दुनिया भर में। तो आपकी तो जितनी धन्यवाद करें उतना ही कम है। आपने मुझे ये मौका दिया इस पवित्र जगह आने का, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।